Welcome to Your Tech on YT. Today I'll teach you how to download, install Java and set path. First things, we'll learn how to download Java. Go to your favorite browser and search for Java SE download. Go to the first link in the results, click on it, and you can see the Java SE15, which is latest version, and you can see Java SE14, and you can see Java SE11, which is long-term support version. Now we're gonna download Java SE15. You can see the JDK download, click on it. As soon as you click, you can see here, you can see Java for Linux, Java for Mac, and you can see Java for Windows. We're gonna download for Windows. Click on exe file so that we can install it. Click on tick, accept all terms and conditions. Click on download. As soon as you click on download, it will ask for permission to keep or not, so click on keep. Again keep. Press Ctrl J for downloads. You can see that Java JDK 15 is getting downloaded. Let us wait until it gets downloaded. Now you can see that Java JDK 15 has been downloaded. Click on show folder. You can see Java JDK over here. Now double click on it to open. See, it's preparing to install. Now click on next. Next, do not change anything. Do not change anything so that you will not get any error in future. If you have any doubts related to Java, if you get any problem, just comment below. I'll help you out. And do not forget to like, subscribe and share also. And you can see it is getting installed. Now we have successfully installed Java, and now we should set path. Now I'll teach you how to set Java path so that you can use Java in your PC. Now go to File Explorer, go to this PC, then go to C drive, then go to programming files, then Java, then JDK 15, which I have installed now. Go to bin, copy the path still here, and now click on Windows and then search for environmental variables. So you can see edit the system environmental, click on environment variables. Now in system variable, click on path, edit, and then click on new and paste. Now Java path has been set. If you want to install additional tools of other tools of Java, you should set Java home path. So that go to Java again, go to JDK 15, copy the path still JDK, and go back to environmental variables. In system variables, click new, and with capital letters or everything, Java _ home, and paste the location in variable value. Click on OK and OK and again OK. Now the path has been set perfectly. Now to know whether it's working or not, Windows open command prompt. There are two commands to check whether it's working or not. Type Java space -version and click on enter. You'll see which Java is installed. Java version 15 has been installed. Another command is Java C sorry it's hyphen, not underscore, version, enter. Now you can see Java has been installed perfectly. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. And if you have any doubts on any other topics also, let me know in the comment section, so I'll help you out. Bye bye guys. Bye bye. Bye bye.